up, guys? This is Felice on. We're sitting down on the ground because I'm too lazy to move the camera. Anyways, we're actually back with another nail art video, so I guess it would be nail art video part 2. Part taco. You're not in. We are doing gradients on all my fingers, and she's gonna be walking us through it.
Yes.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll watch more. Okay, let's just start the video.
Let's get on to the video.
You know, our video's done. We're not doing it with her anymore. I'll do it myself someday.
Okay, bye, loser.
Hey there, you like my eyeshadow? Get out of here.
My bun.
So
Wait.
I don't know what color they are. I don't know what you guys are seeing.
What the heck?
Grace's eyes are always beautiful. Get out of here. At least my eyebrows are fleeking though.
Like, since this one's blue to red, I might do like red to a different color.
Okay, that's a good idea, like a chain.
We probably need like a newspaper to set down. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want for this tutorial is this article of Men's Health.
Dude, how's that on there?
Smart Water, not sponsored. Alright, so this is a Maximum Grow base coat.
Can they see it? Yes, they can.
It's a Maximum Grow base coat. This is the one that I used yesterday.
I don't. Okay.
Alright, the next thing I'm using is this latex tape. It's liquid latex, but I got it from Walmart.
Where's my? I don't know.
I have a dotting tool. I can just use this to get it off. Too bad it's not a peel off base coat. Hey, Christine, where you at?
Glad you're getting mine.
Crap.
Hey yo. I'm weak, but what's wrong with that?
That's gonna
boy,
be the
oh
bass.
boy, I love you when you fall for that. Copyright. But what's wrong with that?
Nothing is
boy,
wrong
oh
with
boy, I
copyright.
like that.
Oh, I can do. Okay, what do you think about red to white? Great.
My camera shows it off a little bit bad, guys, but if you go check out my Instagram, you can see it better.
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
Alright.
Instagram and music link down in the description below. Oh! She's putting down white.
Oh yeah.
Why are you doing white? You have to do red.
Well, I'm putting white because it'll be a lot easier to do a gradient with red and white over white. But this one ended with red, so this one's gonna start with red and go to white, and this one's gonna start with white and go to green. So I'm gonna paint white on this nail too. This camera.
Yeah, this camera is not that great, guys. I mean, it's great. I love it, Dad. But
And then the last one is gonna be this pink into this blue. So it kind of comes full circle. Since this finger is going to be a gradient from green to pink, I'm going to paint pink on it since the pink is lighter. So now I'm going to paint pink on this nail as well because it's going to be pink to navy blue. So the pink is lighter, so I'm going to paint it there. After I put pink on this nail, I'm going to go back in with another coat of white on the other two nails. Put the knife down.
what are you talking about?
Felice, put the knife down right now. Oh my gosh.
What? Grace! I am a good person.
So we're working on the other hand and now we're back.
Hopefully this hand is dry now.
Yes.
Grief.
So now I have to put top coats on all of them. Insta Dry Top Coat by Sally.
Is it like clear and stuff?
Yeah.
So as this top coat dries, you go back to this other hand
Yep.
and do the colors. Doing what we doing.
Alright, so are the tacos on these dry?
I don't know.
Most likely because it's a quick dry glossy taco. The first one is going to be red to white. This is the sponge that we used in yesterday's video, and a lot of people don't know this, but like if you put polish, because for the gradient you put polish on the top of the makeup sponge, and then like a lot of people just throw the sponge away and use a new sponge. See, alright, so so you're gonna paint white on this end of the sponge, teal green color, and you paint it right here above the white, but you go a little bit onto the white. Just gonna dab it on there. Dab, 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 dab. Dab that green on the end. It's a little shoddy. Alright. If you want the white to be a little more like, to stand out a bit more, you can just add more white to the sponge, but not any more green. Because there'll still be a tiny bit of green that'll come out of the sponge, but it'll mostly be white. Is you're gonna take your sponge. Oh, and you get a fresh sponge for next time.
Yeah, so you don't gotta waste no sponges.
Yeah. Alright, so now you take the dotting tool, or just your fingers, but I don't want to like put my finger in the gradient. And you peel
That's
around.
satisfaction.
Ooh, oh, I missed a bit on that. Alright, so now I'm going to take my cleanup brush, dip it in some acetone, and I'm going to just clean it off of the cuticles. So now we're going to do green into the pink color.
Yeah, so now green. So we did white into the green. Now we have to do green into the pink. Remember, we're gonna go back to this index finger because someone's a loser. That's me.
Put green at the base of the sponge, and then pink right above it, and then you overlap the pink a little bit. There's this little like overlap part. I don't know if you can see it very well, but there's a bit of an overlap, and that helps for a really nice blend between the colors. Now I'm gonna get my cleanup brush again.
Oh, yeah, clean it, girl.
And dip it in some acetone.
There is that nail. It actually turned out pretty great, guys.
Yeah.
We're gonna finally go back to the index. Just pretend we didn't skip this finger.
The index finger, again, is gonna be this red to white combo.
Red on base, white on top.
Yes, okay. Alright, so now this nail is gonna be, it's gonna come full circle, and it's gonna be pink to this blue that we used on the thumb.
Okay, so yeah, it's like a circle. So blue to red, red to white, white to green, green to pink, pink to back to this blue.
Yes.
And then we're gonna do the exactly same thing for this hand.
Okay, let me see it so I can clean it up some. Oh, I actually got these sponges from Dollar General. They were like $1 or $2. This pack of sponges.
Nice.
Sponges
They
here.
could tell. They could totally see that.
Yeah.
Anyways, so we are done with his hand. We're gonna do the other hand.
Well, we have
in-
to put a top coat on all of them.
Oh, okay. Sorry. That would finish it up for this hand. So you do the exactly same thing for the other hand, all the same colors, all the same patterns, unless you guys want to switch it up, but this is how we did it, and I will show you the finished product in a little while.
Alright, well, we could say our outro now.
Wait, you gotta check out my eyeshadow.
Boom! So there is the ending reveal. So I hope you guys liked that video. I'm just gonna roll through my fingers real quick. Boom, boom. We have a close-up on my face too. Woo. So there, hopefully you guys like it. You guys,
Hey.
anyways, so hope you guys like that tutorial. It took us a really long time, so please like the video if you liked it, and even if you didn't like it anyways. Yeah, and definitely go check out my social media. I already like promote myself a lot during this video, but whatever. And go check out her non-existent channel and we'll watch more. And I don't know, comment about your nails if you did it. So see you guys. From me to you, have an awesome, fun, spectacular, weird, and blessed day. Bye. Oh, pretty.